Welcome back, viewers. Now, a top focus at this hour, just a week after Himachal Pradesh yield formed the Kir Ganga cloudburst. Now, the hill state has been battered by yet another wave of cloudbursts. Two fresh incidents were reported in Kullu district, unleashing flash floods that have washed away bridges, damaged cottages and cut off key villages in Shimla, Lahaul Spiti and Kullu. When we talk about specific details, in Nanti, Rampur, a separate cloudburst swelled the Ganvi River, forcing evacuations in adjoining and nearby areas. Meanwhile, Srikhand Mahadev in Kullu district was also struck, triggering flooding in the Kurpan stream at Jau in Ani. In fact, according to officials, about 325 roads, including two national highways, remain shut in the state. Visuals on your screen showing you the devastation caused by the floods. This comes as a fresh bout of cloudbursts have now hit the state. In Kullu, a cloudburst over Srikhand Hill flooded the Kurpan ravine, forcing the evacuation of Bagipul market. In Tirthan Valley, riverside cottages and vehicles were swept away by the sheer force of water. Fortunately, no casualties have been reported so far due to this fresh cloudburst that the state is witnessing. But officials have urged residents to remain alert. In fact, the weather department has issued an orange alert for heavy to very heavy rain in three districts today. About the total death toll and the total damage that the state has suffered so far this monsoon, Himachal Pradesh has lost about 126 lives to rain-related incidents, with about 36 people still missing in the state. In fact, the state has endured 63 flash floods, 31 cloudbursts and about 57 major landslides. So far, the monsoon has been not so well towards the state, in fact. Visuals on your screen showing you the devastation in Shimla caused by this fresh bout of cloudbursts. Remember, this comes after the Kir Ganga cloudburst, and now the state has been hit by another wave. Two fresh incidents were reported, especially in Kullu. The flash floods washed away bridges. Visuals on your screen showing you. It even cut off villages in Shimla, Lahaul Spiti and Kullu. These are visuals coming to you from Shimla. In fact, in Nanti, Rampur, a separate cloudburst swelled the Ganvi River, forcing evacuations in adjoining and nearby areas. These are essentially rivers getting overswelled by the cloudbursts occurring in the state and then sweeping away anything that comes in the way of the river, in fact. Now, as of now, 325 roads remain blocked in the state.